start now. And they're off. So, Kitty Sark and Reach for the Dragons. Kitty Sark in red, Reach for the Dragons in yellow. It looks quite close from here, I think. Difficult to see so far, but I don't know that. I think the red craft, that's Kitty Sark, might be in the lead. Yes, they are. They're in the lead. They're in the lead. Reach for the Dragons are just about to. They're just about to cross the path of no, they're not. They've sorted themselves. They've sorted themselves. So, it's Kitty Sark in the lead now. Well done. Looking good. Looking good. Well done, Kitty Sark.
All right, hold.